So I was actually able to craft a makeshift metal sword. I don't know if it's better than a spear or not, but there is a puppet convention going on. There's a couple this way. I don't know if you can see them. I did before. Yeah, there's one. And there's one right in front of me, so I'm going to try to take him out alone. The problem is I have this pistol, which I found, and I did find some rounds. I've got one magazine, but I've discovered that if you shoot, the other two guys are probably going to hear me, and there's going to be maybe one or two more that I can't see that will hear also. And fighting like two puppets is doable, but 3, 4, 5, 6 becomes borderline impossible. My health isn't great, but I'm going to try to sneak up on him. Stand up, dummy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Well, it's not taking him out in one stroke. I'm very injured. I'm very injured. Okay. The makeshift sword is definitely not overpowered. That's for sure. Let's use this last rag. Oh God, puppets are so annoying. I mean, a headshot will kill him instantly, but then everything comes at you, and there have been instances where that becomes extremely undoable. So I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of this metal sword yet. I mean, it is a quiet way to fight them. My technique's probably leaving a little to be desired. Ooh, a can opener, that could be handy. Everything else is garbage other than that. Don't I have some? Yeah, I got a full tin, so. Yeah, I don't know. I'm coming up on that town on D2. I'm probably going to bypass that. Or the one that's just on the northwest. I'm going to try to bypass that and get to that military camp that I've been to before, because maybe I can find some camo pants, and even better would be a functional military rifle of some sort, and some other goodies. But I'm kind of injured. I think I'm going to avoid puppets. Is that a well? No, it looks like a feeding stall. So yeah. What is that? Okay, that's another one. I know there's other puppets nearby. I'm not seeing any on this side. There's two just over that way. So there could be more around here. This looks like just a little farming area, so shouldn't be too bad. I don't know. But I have a sword, for what that's worth. Yeah, it looks like this place is Puppet Central. I've passed another 3. There's one guy right there, one guy there, and there was another one just down the road a bit. I don't really want to fight a bunch of puppets right now because I'm less than 50% health. My stamina's good, but I only have one first aid bandage left, and not a lot in the way of firearms. I did hear some gunshots. I'm not sure where they're coming from. It sounded like south, but God, I'm really far from the airfield, so I don't really want to get into a tangle right now. I do, however, want to go in that barn because I have had good luck finding hunting rifles and stuff. I even found a car 98, which is like a German World War II rifle, and it's quite nice if you can find bullets for it. There's another one. God, this place is infested with puppets. Very often you can find... Okay, I don't know that a baseball bat's better than an improvised sword, so I'm not going to pick that up. I worked hard to make this sword. I'm proud of it, even if it's essentially useless. What we got there? Shovel and empty stuff. Go away, floating cameraman. Chili pepper. I don't know how good that is to eat, but it's here. What's that? Candle. Boring. Baseball cap. Nothing else. Alright. So we're going to keep moving east, I think. We'll head up there. That's probably another farm or hunting cabin. We'll see what's down that other road. And we'll go from there. So we'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, it looks like what I thought was a small town is actually a small military compound of some type. And again, I don't really want to fight the puppets if I don't have to. Once you get a sniper rifle that you can shoot them from long range, it works far better, but I just need to stay low, slow, and quiet so he doesn't hear me, but I do hear a mech. Yeah. Somewhere up there. Oh, I lost sight of him. I do not know that this is a good idea because I have not been here before. Fuck. Come on, come on. Get up. Run! Run! There are two. Run. Fuck. Down the sights. Run! Run, motherfucker. Run, 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 run. Do something. They have got me pinned against a tree. And that's what happens when you shoot a gun at puppets. They all come out of everywhere and you die. Thank you. And good night.